And the process. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, people, yeah, my people. Them say me evil, them say me evil. Them say me great, them say me great. Them say me evil, them say me evil. I'll never leave you, we'll never leave you. It's a me do it, what's a me do it? This is the reason, this is the reason. In the season, this is the season. Yeah, seems like we're in the season of death. However, Jano, yo, I know say enough vloggers are gonna run with that news that say Silk Boss baby mother drop out, you see me? You know, Florida, you see me? She's Jamaican, but them say popular Florida TikTok influencer Brii was pow and unalive after leaving an Airbnb party during the 4th of July weekend at just 26 years old. Oh my goodness. Me the thing say Brie did look a brown or use her cream, you know. Cause if you look at the two picture them, you see say one she look lighter and the same way when she did go up on the fix. A long time I not see her, you know, last time I when she go up on the fix. I did see her. And as such she did look like the complexion, yeah, or a little lighter. But this is her most recent picture over here that was taken right before her demise. And you know, say a hot girl, Zane Silk Boss, I don't know how him a manager now. You see me? Yo, judge, I know this is so sad. I never want to repost it, you know, 'cause every time I repost the thing, them, the whole of the vlogger, them watch my Instagram and take my content them and go run with it. Especially Rick Storm, a theme style at the one Rick Storm. Love take the content them when I repost on Instagram and run cause it's like him a tell himself say, yeah, this leprosy I got vlog about. You see me? I try pattern me, but you can't study with. You see me? So make a read into this. Cause I not see Silk Boss in the comment section, you see me? I look for him in the comment section, I don't see him. So make a read what this says. See? So it says popular Florida TikTok influencer. She a Jamaican, but she I think she left Jamaica and they are foreign now. You don't know the whole of the Jamaican artists them, the whole of the TikToker them, whole of them they are foreign, you see me? Over there them they are shoot content. Pretty done. She are one of them were kinda early on the trend. Ivani, them are some of the earlier one them were left Jamaica, got foreign, got on content creator. You see me? And then the vloggers them, the YouTuber them start take it up, you see me? So what you know, popular Jamaican, but them say Florida TikTok influencer Brii. And I think a Brii, them normally call Silk Boss a baby mother, you know. You see me? So you see it? Remember she this. Remember say, Brii this Silk Boss all heap of time, you know. And woman no for this man, you know. See? Because what you know, I'm show you something. And is a girl from Trinidad me I talk with today I tell me this. You see me? The girl from Trinidad today I tell me this. Because the question there is a viral post on Instagram where I go around where them a compare Kartel with one soca artist. Right? And then play 3 songs from the soca artist and 3 songs for Vybz Kartel. Zin? And people are cussing and arguing in the comment section. Bugger people are say Kartel and bugger people are say Kez. The bugger Trinidadian people them full up in the thing as say Kez. Me see people comment in the comment section of the post. I say, I live in Trinidad and I don't know Kez, or I never know who he was until I see the post and see the song them when him sing. I saw them know. I saw them have an idea, say, of the person named Kez, the people in my Trinidad. You see me for sure it's a Kartel greater than Kez. You see me? Kez not really have no international success. I think when I'm sang them, you see me, but we can't find the post little after this. So I can run through this, you see me? So it's a popular TikTok influencer Brii was fatally shot after leaving Airbnb. See, and at this I want to say when name World Dog Woman, what's her name? Yannick? Yes. Yannick, the Yannick them bad, you know. The Yannick them was good girls throughout the 90s and 80s. Well, the Yannick was a more modern name because Yannick, one of the name them were bat where the Sophia them. You know, Sophia is a name where I forward from far still and it transcend over in a modern day. So Sophia is a very powerful name where I forward from ancient days to modern day. But nowadays, the newer generation, they're not satisfied with the Sophia. Them new modern age of people, yeah, them will more can digest the Yannick them. You get me I say? But you know, no the nowadays people, Gen Z them. You know, it's almost like Jezebel them represent. I not diss them still, but when you check the name, I don't always are telling about the importance of name. So Yannick, remember Yannick, they try scam Marlon Samuels, right? So the Yannick them bad. And the Yannick them was good uptown girls throughout the 90s. When in the 90s, you hear a girl named Yannick is a uptown girl, rich, have pretty hair, nice, tall, healthy hair, clean skin. The Yannick them was chrome skin. You see me? Prettier than browning. You see me? Chrome skin are the higher grade of skin. When you pass the black, then the browning, you have chrome skin. You get what I say? Yeah, so Yannick them was known to be chrome skin girl with uptown face and uptown shape. You get what I say? So the names them now, the Yannick is more digestible to these new age people, you see what I say, than the Sophia enough of the name. So Brii are one of them new name there, you know, Brii. It's like shortening for breeze. You know, it's a nice wind, a beautiful breath of fresh air. Brii represents life. Although we see it cut short, I don't know why she and Silk Bass did cut off, but you know, she shouldn't be Silk Bass. And that is why I'm telling about enemies. You see me, when you have war with the wrong person, you know, we gotta fight for, you know. See, that means that the devil have fuel you for go at good people. And I'm sure them about Kartel all the while. So all of these people that are coming at Kartel, enough of them are going to fall at his right hand and 10,000 at his left hand. They shall all face and smite all the unnecessary fight where them are put up against Kartel. A lot of them are go down in the ground before him. Because when you fight God chosen people, that are going to reach you. You see me? You notice how Nico fire, him start blood not talk about MASKITA flap to him. See MASKITA do a good show in a white country where any rookie of the year artist, any amateur dancehall artist, amateur or immature, any one of them can go over there, go blood clot DJ and get big respect because we know it go. We go foreign already. We will just say anything we say it have to end with we mother run a back, appeal cho, we father run a front, damn you know. And I just so me I tell you the place I lift up because people call me on stage and say, yo, I got a Jamaican dude and Brii or Jamaican whatever them want to say. Some will say Jamaican buddy. You know what I mean? And whatever, but you see me when them show me up on stage, I'm gonna do some little freestyle and some little nursery rhyme, play a shell. So when you see white people, I go crazy for MASKITA. Tell MASKITA to come do that in a Grenada and St. Kitts and Jamaica, or where the black people them populated, the majority dominated. You see me I say, don't go in a white country and show me say, yeah, make a bag of white people dance. Go in the black country them and go make the whole heap of black people them dance and love your music. Because them will just stand still, blur not like St. Kitts and grenade upon him. You know, say a valiant them have the power. You know, say blur not like a cranium I do better than MASKITA by far. And cranium have a soft voice. You see me? So I could read this. May Bree's soul rest in peace. You see me? So popular Florida TikTok influencer Brii was fatally shot after leaving an Airbnb party during the 4th of July weekend. So you see, as one wants the point we may make is that Yannick, you see the fact that Yannick a this world dog, she need to watch her life. Because you see when you disrespect man who God made first, you have to know what you do. You lose your life. Because see it breed this Silk Bass now, she fear life cut short. You see me? And the girl from Trinidad when me are telling about, you know what she tell me say? I ask her for choose. Because when she for choose, you know the same content about Kartel and the Kez artists there. Zin where sing the calypso or soca song them. Zin, you have one girl now in particular where she comment and type say she can't choose because she share two nationality, Jamaican and Trinidadian. And my pressure her for choose. First, my reply to her, I say, if you had to choose one, which one you da choose? She said, no. I'm say, if my hold a gun to your head and tell you to choose, which one you da choose? And that's how she choose now and bust out a laugh. And I say, yo, should I choose Trini over Jamaican? I just threw my put the gun on her head, make she do that, Cause I say, yo, imagine if I put the gun on your head, where you da choose? She say, yo, she choose Trinidad. And I lie, she telling her, if me did really as a Jamaican put the gun on her head and say, choose Trinidad or Jamaica, which one did I choose? Say Jamaica should I choose because she no want dead. She no want dead. That's not nice. The society, the youth, gone bread. Jesus Christ. The society, the youth, them only gone bread. That's not nice. Dead. Wallet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Hey, get a youth of it harder. No for we not grow with no father. So we end up turn gangster. No for we sell out and I move like Shibana. Enough time me get up on me now for dime. Pocket empty but I be a shot in a me nine. The radar can't stop the crime. Them a do nothing, them a waste time. Them no one get a youth, we have nothing. So when you say blood a run like drinks, do not call the police, just call the brings. Cause the money get a youth one. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Na 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 na, life sweet. Rest in peace, Brii, Brii. Hey. Yeah, rest in peace, Brii. You see it. You see, Brii. So what you know, so popular Florida TikTok influencer Brii was fatally shot after leaving an Airbnb party during the 4th of July weekend. According to the multiple reports, investigators say the shooting occurred shortly after she left the gathering. You see them party thing, yeah? Tell you no. And emergency responders pronounced her dead at the scene. Authorities have not publicly identified a motive or announced any arrest, right? Yes. They haven't publicly, authorities, meaning police, have not publicly identified a motive or announced any arrest. That means that them probably, that don't mean that them probably arrest somebody, but possibly, But it doesn't mean that somebody is arrested. But the fact that it's a party, them are pressure people, them are beat down door right now. The police, them supposed to work as a nice female, you know what I mean? And them not play over there, and them ready for deport a lot of these people and ship them back to wherever they came from. You know what I mean? So, yeah, with that being said about no arrest being announced or the motive that may possibly lead to that crime happening, right? So, and detectives are continuing to interview witnesses, review surveillance footages, and gather evidence to determine exactly what led to the deadly attack. Investigation relevant information to come forward. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah, so where are we? Yes, information to come forward. The tragedy has prompted an outpouring of what is this? Pouring, let me see. Of grief. Oh my goodness, yes. The tragedy has prompted an outpouring of grief across social media where Bree's followers, all the Jamaican them thing there. All the followers, friends, and fellow content creators have shared tributes, right? And remembered her for the content she created. Many supporters have expressed shocked, real me shocked, me, one of them, over the incident and call for justice as the investigation continues. Officials have emphasized that the crime surrounding the shooting are still being established. Have asked the authorities have asked the public to avoid spreading what is this? Spreading on I can't see the word. On V or on I don't know. From spreading rumors, let's just say that, while detectives work to identify those responsible. Yes, so the detectives are working trying to find those who are responsible.